Library friends, this is Miss Lian and we're back with another fun craft video. Today we're going to be making some pop-up cards, so let's get into the video. Supplies you need for today's craft. You're going to need some scissors, glue stick, some colored paper, and a pen or some colored pencils. So today's craft is really simple. Today's craft is really simple. All you're going to need to do is grab a plain sheet of white paper, or if you're going to use the color paper as your card, then go ahead and use that. I'm going to use the white piece of paper. You're going to fold it hamburger style. Remember, hamburger is the way that looks like a regular rectangle, and the hot dog is the one that looks like a long rectangle. So we're going to fold it hamburger style. Now I'm just going to show you how to make it. You can make it, follow along, and be creative as you want. So then you're going to open it up and leave it. Now what you're going to do is you're going to grab one of your colored pieces of paper, and you want it so that you have it vertically. So this is horizontal and this is vertically. So you want your paper vertically, and now what you're going to do is do that zigzag fold. If you've seen my other videos, you know what fold I'm talking about. It's pretty easy. You just go back and forth. Doesn't even have to be the same. It can be a little loosey-goosey if you want it to be. I'm going to do one more, and then I'm just going to cut off the extra. Just like that. And then what you want to do is fold your accordion piece in half, or as half as you can get it. So you might want to press down, and then you're going to grab your glue stick, and then you're going to smear some glue. I do glue on both sides just to get that extra stickiness. And then you're gonna refold it again as best as you can. And then I just squeeze it to flatten it just a little bit. If you want to use the back of your hand, just make sure you don't get a paper cut, because I've done that before. It is not fun, ladies and gentlemen. Well, boys and girls. And now, if you want, you can let the glue dry a little bit, but I think my glue is pretty sticky because I put glue on both sides. So now I'm going to glue one side. And then I'm going to try stick it in the middle of that fold, and then lift that paper up and push it down just like that. Then I'm going to do the same thing. If you want, you can put some glue in the middle, and then we're going to make sure that it's, oh, this one's a little bit crooked. So if it's a little crooked, just lift it up and replace it. So we're going to lift it up and replace it. And now you have a pop-out. And that's basically what this pop-up card is. Now what you could do with this pop-up card is, so it's going to look like this. You can make it into a peacock and have a little peacock head sticking out of it, or you can make it into whatever animal you want. You can make it into a fish, you can make it into a bush and have some flowers sticking up from it. You can be as creative as you want, but this is basically how you do a pop-up card. So what I want you to do is grab all your supplies you need and rewind the video till I started the craft, make your own creative pop-up card, and share it with the library social media, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We would love to see it. You can even send us a video on TikTok. We'll have all of the links and stuff down below in the bio. We'll have the social media handles in the bio, but we would love to see your pop-up cards. And maybe if you want to make a pop-up card for a librarian when we open again, you can bring it in and you can give it to our librarians. And we can't wait to see how yours turns out. Bye! Thanks for watching and make sure you log on. Thanks for watching. Make sure you log on to huntleylibrary.org for all your digital content you have access to with your library card. And don't forget to share your pop-up cards because we would love to see them. Whether you send us a picture or you bring it in when we open again. And we'll see you when we open or in the next video. Bye!